Okay, today I will show you, friend. Thanks for watching. Today I will show you simple life hack for on your Android phone. Simply how to check smart screen and the maintenance of your phones. Simply, if the screen is broken, how to check that simply. And the other speakers hardware part of your smartphone to check it. How to do that simply. First of all, you must open your phone dealers. Click simply for your phone dealers and try to. There are so many security code show you secret Android setting or an hidden Android setting, and simply types stars hashtag 0 hashtag and stars. No, stars and hashtags. Here there is such like screen will come up and try to check. If you are try to check touch screen, I will touch this one and I will touch. There was no faulty or there no broken screen and there is no faulty. I will check like this, and others I will check green lights like this one, and the other was I will check speakers. And vibrator and so on. It is very important setting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see latest update on my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.